Green tea is one of the most popular drinks in the world. For centuries, it has been used for its medicinal properties. Modern science has now confirmed that green tea can have a positive effect on our health. It is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have been shown to be beneficial for health. Numerous studies have shown that green tea can improve various aspects of health. Green tea is a very versatile drink and can be enjoyed hot or iced, flavored or plain. It's also widely available and relatively inexpensive. In this video, we will talk about some of the health benefits of green tea. 1. Green tea helps in weight loss. Green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and help burn fat. One study showed that those who consumed green tea lost more weight than those who did not. But how exactly does green tea help with weight loss? Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which boost metabolism and cause the body to burn more fat. Green tea also contains caffeine, which helps to suppress appetite and increases energy levels. So if you're looking to lose weight, green tea is a great option. Just remember to stay disciplined with your diet and exercise routine, and you'll see the results in no time. 2. Green tea lower the risk of some cancers. When it comes to cancer, there are many things that you can do to lower your risk. And one of those things is to drink green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which are substances that help protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants can help to lower your risk of some types of cancer, like ovarian cancer and breast cancer, bladder cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. 3. Green tea may help prevent cardiovascular disease. Green tea has been gaining popularity as a healthy beverage choice in recent years. And for good reason. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to offer a number of health benefits, including improved heart health. Recent studies have shown that green tea may help prevent cardiovascular disease by reducing cholesterol levels and protecting against oxidative stress. Green tea may also help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. If you're looking to improve your heart health, green tea is a great choice. Try adding a cup or two to your daily routine and see how it can help you. 4. Green tea lowers cholesterol. If you're looking for ways to lower your cholesterol, you might want to consider adding green tea to your diet. Green tea has been shown to help improve cholesterol levels and can even help reduce the risk of heart disease. So how does green tea work? Green tea contains compounds that can help to lower cholesterol levels. These compounds work by inhibiting the absorption of cholesterol in the gut. Green tea also contains antioxidants that can help to protect the heart and keep cholesterol levels in check. To get the most benefit from green tea, be sure to drink it regularly. You can also supplement your diet with green tea extract, which is available in many health food stores. 5. Green tea reduces inflammation. Green tea is popular for a reason. It's packed with antioxidants and other compounds that have been shown to have health benefits. One of these compounds is EGCG, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. This means that green tea may help reduce inflammation in the body. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce inflammation, green tea may be a good option for you. Be sure to talk to your doctor first to see if green tea is right for you. 6. Green tea prevents stinky breath. Plenty of people start their day with a cup of coffee, but did you know that green tea can actually be a great way to prevent morning breath? Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that can help keep your mouth clean. Plus, it's a great way to wake up in the morning and get a little boost of energy. So next time you're looking for a way to freshen up your breath, reach for a cup of green tea instead of coffee. Your mouth will thank you. 7. Green tea may prevent type 2 diabetes. Green tea has been shown to help prevent type 2 diabetes. In a study of over 1,100 adults, those who drank the most green tea had a 42% lower risk of developing diabetes than those who drank the least. Green tea contains compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. These properties may explain why green tea has been shown to be effective in preventing type 2 diabetes. If you're interested in drinking green tea to prevent diabetes, be sure to choose a high-quality brand and brew it correctly. Drinking too much green tea can cause side effects, so it's important to moderate your intake. These are some health benefits of green tea. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content.